iPhone 14 design concept suggests a secondary slider screen. In a recent design trailer unveiled by ConceptsiPhone, Apple's upcoming iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro devices are hinted to feature a secondary slider screen and an air charge technology. Sliding out from the top, the design is aimed towards productivity, where users can hold their devices horizontally and use the lower screen as a keyboard or in-game controls. Additionally, it offers more space to work with, as you can easily check on two active applications at the same. The concept also proposes an air charge technology that allows you to juice up your phones without the hassle of cables or charging stands. And although this feature had been introduced by Apple before, the new concept design features a charging pad that significantly increases the bandwidth, letting you charge over longer distances. Designed by Pranavnath and Ranavni, iPhone 14's latest upgrades hints towards a weird blend of the Face ID and Touch ID security system, the new A16 Bionic smartphone chip, and a range of color choices: scarlet, orange, white, deep blue, and black. The 120Hz ProMotion display is also set to make a return. Recently, a set of leaks reported that Apple could finally be making a switch to a USB Type-C connector for data transfers and charging. This is partly due to the European Union's new rule that mandates all cell phone manufacturers to adopt a single universal charging solution, leading to reduced e-wastage. Other rumors point towards a 2TB storage configuration for the Pro model and 1TB for the regular iPhone 14. The camera design will also see an improvement, as the infamous bump gets removed. Instead, it is expected to feature a flush glass back and a titanium chassis. As ambitious as these design renders seem, there is only a slim chance that Apple will actually pull through and deliver. Nonetheless, we could expect to hear an official announcement for the iPhone 14 in September 2022.